Adios, amigos.
Hey everyone, welcome back to Saru Chronicles, where we simplify Power BI for you. Today, we are diving into the now function in Power BI, a game changer for real-time data and time tracking. Ever wondered how to track live updates, filter records by exact timestamps, or automate reports based on the current date and time? Stay tuned because we will break it down step by step. Before we begin, make sure to like this video and subscribe for more Power BI tutorials. Alright, so what exactly does now do? The now function in Power BI returns the current date and time based on your system clock. Unlike today, which only gives the date, now provides the exact timestamp down to the second. It provides a real timestamp. For example, if today returns Feb 10, 2025, then now might return Feb 10, 2025, including its hours, minutes, and seconds. Before we jump into Power BI, let's set up our dataset. We have an Excel file with these columns: order date when the order was placed, due date when it's due, sales amount, that is the order value. Ensure the date format is correct before importing into Power BI. Now let's bring our data into Power BI and create a calculated column using the now function. Current time is equal to now. This will return the exact date and time whenever the report refreshes. So, there is a DAX format to find orders due today. That is due today is equal to, if sales of due date is equal to today, then we can give the value as due today. Otherwise, it's not due. We are using the if formula. Now let's make our report visually engaging. Go to table visualization, select due today column, and we can click conditional formatting for providing the different designs. So we can set red for due date and green for not due. And there you have it. The now function in Power BI helps you track real time data, highlight due orders, and filter reports dynamically. So there are some key points before winding up this video. Now returns the current date and time. Use it for real-time filtering and tracking. Combine it with conditional formatting for better insights. So if you have got any questions, please drop in the comments. Like this video, smash that like button. Subscribe to Saru Chronicles for more Power BI tips. Until next time, happy analyzing.